Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will be giving you a full review of the newly renovated Riu Negril. I'm going to give you all the details. So if that's what you're here for, continue to watch this video. We spent 4 days, 3 nights, checking on a Friday and check out on a Monday. From the entrance of the lobby, I was already impressed. See what they're doing with the tropical modern touch. Now for a quick room tour. Oh my God. I saw the pictures online, of course, but it's exactly as the pictures are. The rooms are clean. I like how simple yet modern the rooms were looking. Recently renovated, opened December of last year. Reopened December of last year. So it's fresh. And yes, this is the room. Let me just first say it's giving a more modern touch than the previous design. So of course, it's the usual, the mini bar, their liquor, all inclusive. And y'all know how mini bar is, fully stocked. Your coffee and everything. I love this mirror. Yes, I'm loving the mirror. Yes, and the lighting in the room is also good. Now for the bathroom. Alright. So they have closets. This is the closet space. There's no robe, there's no slipper, but there's a blanket and extra pillow, iron board, and the usual, the safe. I like the little couch area. All right, and now for our view. And this is the view, and they're saying I got a garden view, so this is the garden view, and boom, partial ocean view, partial pool view. I just love this view. I love it. So let's get started. Night one, we're heading out for dinner. We just ended up eating at the buffet. Again, for the most part, whenever I stay at Riu hotels, I always end up eating at the buffet. And that's again because of reservation. I think they need to fix that. Why is it that the restaurants are always book out? Is either they need to open the restaurants a little bit later or something, or I don't know. It's like these restaurants are always booked out. So we end up at the buffet, and here are some of the food that were at the buffet that night. Again, I have no problem really eating at Riu buffet because I usually do get some good food at any of the Riu buffets. So I don't really have problem. Another place I'll eat sometimes is at the sports bar. I've noticed that Riu Negril and Riu Negril has the same theme sports bar, and the wings are really good and the mac and cheese, but we'll get into that later. Good morning! It's morning time, and trust me, the morning is beautiful when you're on a resort. So you can't stay in bed when you're on a resort. So we got up very early and we walked the resort. So this is the Pier 27. Alright, so from the lobby, we're basically walking to a room. So all the rooms are on this side of the property. And we're basically walking the nurse station, the spa and gym. So I'm gonna just show you guys the gym. There's a salon. Hey, there's a salon here. The salon looks nice. And this is your gym. Nobody is here. Oh God. You know? And this is the kids area. And there's this splash area. Right, so the pool man clearing it up. Again, we're at the beach. So when you walk into your room, you can see the beach, the beauty of the island, the white sand beach. That's Bob's Bar. And get yourself some drink. Part of Riu Renovations, they added some swim out rooms, and these are the swim out rooms. They are not really private, but when you're in your pool, you have a perfect view of the ocean. This was the area I spent most of my time, by the pool. This was closer to our rooms. It's the quiet pool. Most of the entertainment is on the other side. You will see that soon. Guys, the thing about Riu Negril, they don't have any elevator. So you might have to take the stairs. If you can't manage the stairs, you opt for a first floor. Or probably if you can manage at least one flight, you can take the second floor. For me, going on vacation means I don't need to worry about what I'm going to eat, what I'm going to have for dinner or breakfast. Everything should be ready for me, and all I need to do is show up with a plate. What's your favorite part about staying at an all-inclusive? Today, and to be honest, I'm not even going to drink this beer. This is the pool directly from the lobby. So it's very quiet now, not a lot is going on, but this is basically what we're looking at. There's also a pool there, 2 pools. This was the area where all the entertainments were. The lobby, the bars, and Pepe's food, where you could get tacos, jerk, chicken, pork, and you can also make yourself some burgers. Beautiful water, sun is shining, the weather is nice. And you guys are in the pool. I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? In Canada? In the US? England? Europe? I'm in Jamaica. Where are you? I had a good time in the pool, and the sun is about to set, and of course we have to see it. So I'm going over to watch the sunset. Picture. Okay. Is it? Great. Alright. They have some pumpkin soup and pumpkin soup. You're gonna get your oxtail. Yeah. So this is what we got at the sports bar. So already they get 10 out of 10 for the sports bar. Similar to Riu Negril sports bar, basically duplicate of it. So yeah, let me test the mac and cheese. The buffalo wings were really good. And this, really nice. Love it. Ooh, and this is for dessert. 3 hour drive from St. Catherine to Negril was worth it. Negril is beautiful. The sand, the beach, the people, like it is amazing. The sunset, like everything about Negril was a breath of fresh air, and Riu Negril is exceptional. I enjoyed my time. The entertainment team was friendly, the staff was friendly, the food was good, and just being in Negril was amazing. The sunset, the sunrise, everything about Negril was simply amazing. Of course, Rio is a 10 out of 10 when it comes on to entertainment. If you've made it this far in the video, remember to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any plans of coming to Jamaica to spend an all-inclusive vacation, you know who to contact. Number is on your screen. You can also check out our Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay blessed.